Good morning, Jane. Oh, wait, don't touch that dial. Got something to say. Just lay there and listen for a while. Do you still ride that guy? The one who took my place in our bed. I wrote a song. It's one you can't get out of your head. You always say